Good, lad. See you, friend. See you guys.
See you, Marty.
Which side do you want to go in? You gotta push the boat out. Hey, Marty. Marty, we gotta push the boat, bud. Push it out, Marty.
I think he's getting in it.
Oh!
Sucker!
Somebody help! We might fucking drown this thing. Hey, your beard's full. Look on the bright side. Hey, Marty, if you want to stay, I can go over there. No wonder you're fucking talking.
I think he's gonna go get it.
Oh, he's not getting back in that boat. He needs a hand in that boat, Tim.
Yeah, wake now, Marty. You guys?
No, Tim, hold on, Tim, hold on.
Tim, get the fuck out
Tim,
of there, Tim.
Tim.
Don't get stuck if he ain't fucking shit.
He's going down if he's pushing. Don't let him push.
Jump in the boat, Marty, because there's no fucking way you'll get back in it. You get that on film? Marty,
I got it right on film.
jump in the boat.
I'm not losing his cameras this time, Mustachio. Marty.
Do the chainsaw, Marty.
Why would you do it? He got in there.
He fell down inside the boat.
Yeah, I was trying to catch him falling down.
See you guys? Yeah. What's your beer?
No wonder our fish knows no good.